Hi everyone, so I just got done watching the video. I found this video pretty interesting, how it started with something so small scale like a hula hoop, and then, took us from that small city in Italy to more of Italy to kind of our entire planet and then outside of our planet, and really showing how much of a size difference there is between our universe and like the space between the next universe. So, because there's such a great distance between us and then the other universes, I think that it would be relatively hard to contact, if there were like other life forms we could contact. Also, you have to think about the idea, if there is life on another planet, could they understand, information if we tried to contact them or understand, like, a message? Because obviously if we were trying to contact, like, an animal on our planet, such as a monkey, even though it's pretty advanced and like us, it might not understand the signals. They might not have the technology to intercept a message if we're sending it through some sort of electronic thing. And then also you have the idea the video talked about with sending spaceships. So if we tried to send something to the stars further away from us, they said it would take like 100,000 light years, which is not plausible, unless we have a whole community we kind of set up to live on a huge spaceship that has space for multiple families, enough that can obviously can reproduce and have kids to live through that whole time, but that's extremely unlikely, or not there yet scientifically, I think, to contact other solar systems and stuff like that. So I do think it would be extremely hard if there was another life form besides us to contact. But I think it would be really interesting if we could. But yeah.